earth shake.
Oh my gosh. So loud.
So fucking loud.
Oh my god.
I didn't remember them being this loud
I
last year.
don't either.